Hello Investors Hub and good morning. This is Technical Indicator of the Penny Stock Express. You can watch this video in high definition. Just expand the video and select 720p. This is a member requested video chart on LFBG. This isn't the first time I've covered this stock, and recently we've been blogging back and forth with members and traders who are in the stock. Basically, we said that as long as shares hold that bottom trend line right here, the dotted line, everything was A-OK, and that it was probably going to break one way or the other. Volume would predict which way it would go. You can see the top trend line coiling down with the bottom trend line. Anytime you get a coil like that or a symmetrical triangle, basically what happens is when the pinch gets tight, shares are bound to break to one side or the other. In this case, you had the breakout bulls take over with almost $600,000 traded in the stock on Friday, which is excellent for a Friday. So you just pick up on these pattern plays or on these chart pattern plays and try and predict when that breakout is going to occur. And if you just watch the volume, it's the easiest way to find that. Basically, support now is at this previous resistance line here at 0.0054. All right, that'll probably be light support. Then support after that is going to be here from the previous highs, in addition to your MA200, which is right around that area. So anywhere from 0.0044 to 0.0039 will be support on pullbacks if they do occur. To find resistance, we're going to have to look at a 1-year chart, which is always nice. That means the resistance probably isn't as difficult because a lot of these people may have either exited the stock or not looking to break even. Basically, you can see the push right here on the triangle pattern. All right, triangles usually are more reliable if they take place over a couple of months. In this case, it took place over a month. You have this pop right here of this resistance level at 0.0054. So now your resistance is going to be in these ranges, which is basically around 0.009, just before Pennyland. See, it's also thick through here. I put a box around all that 9 action. So it looks like it will have, some solid resistance in around the Pennyland. But it should probably trade freely if we have a continuation day on Monday between where it closed at 0.0056 and 0.009. So there's definitely profit opportunity left in this stock. Now, what leads me to believe it could continue? Well, if you take a look at the previous runs that it's had, it moves over a period of days. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days all the way up to 0.009. In this case, from 0.002 across 3 days all the way up to 0.0054. So it has a pattern history of being able to move more than 100% and across several days. Again, if we look at this move from 0.0012, it has 2 bullish candles in a row before it tapers down. And then it moves off of that taper or that coil and has 2 bullish candles once more before it tapers down. So this candle is the first of those days, and we've had it on radar. We were talking about this pinch if you follow my board. And LFBG members have been talking about it as well, or I should say traders. And obviously it worked to the upside, which is very, very nice. Excellent 64% move. Would have been good for anybody day trading, swing trading, or the longs. So right now I think it moves freely between 0.0056 and resistance at 0.009. It'll need buyers to continue that pattern. I don't think it needs to be as strong as $600,000, but anything more than that would be excellent. Expect at some point some profit takers. So we'll go back to that 6-month chart and revisit the fact that support is here, here, as well as here. Okay? The MA20 now needs to catch up once again off of this bullish move. All in all, things are looking very good on LFBG. Congratulations to everybody who picked up on this pinch. And we will keep an eye on this one moving forward. Let's see what Monday brings. Again, my name is Technical Indicator. I hope you enjoyed this stock video chart. Here's my full disclosure.